In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search for a car on Turo. Whether you're planning a getaway or just need a rental for daily use, Turo makes it simple and convenient. Let's dive in and get you started on your journey with Turo. First, you'll need to visit Turo's website. Head over to Turo.com, or if you prefer using a mobile device, open the Turo app, available for both iOS and Android. This is your gateway to exploring a wide range of vehicle options. Once on the Turo platform, the next thing you'll want to do is enter your location. On the home screen, locate the search bar and type in the city, airport, or specific address where you'd like to pick up your car. For example, you might enter Los Angeles International Airport, LAX, to focus your search in that area. This step is crucial as it sets the foundation for finding cars available in your desired location. After specifying the location, it's time to select your pickup and return dates and times. This helps ensure that the cars you are shown are available within your specified time frame, giving you a more accurate and realistic selection of vehicles to choose from. It's a crucial step to avoid unnecessary hassles later on. Now, with your location and date set, Turo will present you with a list of available cars. You will see essential details such as car photos, daily rental prices, and ratings and reviews from previous renters. Plus, you'll find info on the type of car, whether it's an SUV, convertible, electric vehicle, and more. It's all about finding the car that best fits your lifestyle and needs. To further tailor the selection of vehicles to your specific preferences, consider using Turo's filters. Click on Filters to refine your search. You can narrow it down by price range, vehicle type, such as SUVs or luxury cars, delivery options, and even opt for instant book to skip host approval. Other filtering options include mileage limits and special features like GPS or pet-friendly rides. These filters are especially helpful in honing in on what matters most to you. If you find a car that catches your eye, click on the listing to view more detailed information. This includes the car's full description, ratings for the host, trip rules such as smoking policies or gas requirements, and helpful pickup instructions. This level of detail ensures you know exactly what you're getting into before confirming a booking. Finally, when you've found your ideal car, it's time to book. Simply tap Continue or Book Now. This leads you to a review of your trip details where you can double-check everything before proceeding with the payment. Turo offers a secure payment process, providing peace of mind as you finalize your rental. And there you have it. Searching for a car on Turo is straightforward and user-friendly. Follow these steps, and you'll be on the road in no time, ready to enjoy your ride. Happy travels!